Oh shit, it's been a while. I feel like I say that every time I jump on the bike. Oh, I forgot my earplugs again. It's quite annoying. I think this is the first video I've made in months, at least with new footage, and that's for a number of reasons. I really hate that every new video I make I have to explain why I haven't made one in a few months. But basically last year and the year before, I put a bit more effort into the channel. I started to try and make videos of what I thought people would want, maybe copying a couple of the bigger sort of YouTubers, speaking about relevant biking topics and stuff. Very, very hit and miss of whether they do well or not, and very, very hit and miss of whether I actually enjoy making those videos. So I'm having a bit of a crisis with this channel, or a revelation rather, that I really just need to do this for fun and not worry about the views and subscribers and all that, because the chances of something like big happening from that is very low, so I might as well actually enjoy it. And if something bigger happens, then great. So what that looks like, I don't know. I think it's still just going to be a mix of different things. I've been tempted to go back to some of my old style videos of me just not speaking and just riding around with subtitles. But at the same time, I don't mind speaking to the camera, so I'm not sure. But oh god, that's going to be annoying. But what I have realised, sort of in connection to the channel, is I've sort of asked myself a few times like why I got into riding in the first place. And I mean, the real reason I got into riding in the first place is, one, it was cheaper than getting a car license at the time, and don't turn in, and yeah, two, it was cool, you know. But then, you know, why did I stick to riding? I think I fell in love with riding because it was my first taste of actually being free and being able to explore without having to use buses and whatnot. And honestly, I think it's still the same. I've done a track day, I've done my full license, I've got a faster bike, and I think it just still just comes down to, yeah, exploration and just being out and about. I think that's my plan, just keep doing that for videos, get up to shenanigans, and do whatever, just do whatever what I feel like, basically, instead of trying to change what I do because that's what I think will do well. And honestly, I feel like I'm kind of getting over the speed thing, honestly. Like, I'm really not sure if it does make it more fun for me. And obviously in the meanwhile you're risking, obviously, higher risk of getting hurt and also getting points, losing your license, all that shit. So yeah, anyway, that's just a little update on my end and why I've been really quiet on social media. See you later.